So what is going on, developers? Welcome to another video in which we'll be setting up a project for our little animations tutorial real quick here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to spin off a really simple project here. And what you want to do before doing that is just go to your terminal and remove any React Native CL if you have installed globally, because probably if you haven't updated your React Native stuff in a while, then you would have this thing and then you want to install. Yeah, there we go. So install the new CL tool, which would allow you to basically use the new CL tool. Well, sorry for that too. But yeah, that's true. So let's just wait for it for a couple of seconds to install and we'll get back. Alright, not a long time, but here we are. So what I want to do next is I want to do React Native. Not really React Native NPX, React Native init. And RN Animations is the project name. And what I want to do is I want to make use of the template called React Native TypeScript template, right? So this template would allow us to actually bootstrap our project from TypeScript instead of regular JavaScript for React Native. And we'll just configure all that TypeScript and TypeScript.json stuff and all that things. And yeah, it's really important. It's especially while working with animations because you have a lot of large names and property names and function names and all that stuff. So you want a lot of IntelliJ IDEA support on that. It really helps. I'm just going to go ahead and start this project, and I guess I already ran that before. So that's why you have to remove this, and there we are. So it's going to just download the OK. That's because it is template, TypeScript, not TypeScript, template. There we go. Oh my god. And this should finally do it, hopefully. So I'll just let it set up a little bit for a while and we get back to you once it's done already. Fellas, when it's done, you're going to see something like this installation successful along that usual stuff. And once you open it in the VS Code, you would see something like this. Now, remember, for TypeScript projects in React, the index.js file is actually the JavaScript file, but all of the files you can have as TypeScript or TypeScript, JFX, whatever you want, right? So yeah, this is basically, I'm going to set up a TypeScript React Native project. I'm going to keep it this long only because I'll be starting off with the animation part and everything, and actually let me just do one more thing. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna actually, yeah. Anyway, we'll just set up simulator in the next one. Don't worry about that. That's all for this one. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and thank you for watching. I'll see you then in the next one.